So, good morning, everybody. This is from Gem and Jewelry Export Promotion Council. We are hosting the first ever virtual buyer-seller meet of the Gem and Jewelry Council. This virtual buyer-seller meet will be our diamond buyer-seller meet, and we all know that this is the most difficult, buyer-seller meet to do. Diamonds are the most difficult part of the whole story. Of course, after this, we'll be doing the buyer seller meet with jewelry. So, in our endeavor to revive the gem and jewelry exports, basically, we all know that for 4 5 months we did not do anything. And in our endeavor to revive the gem and jewelry exports, Council has initiated a series of virtual buyer seller meets for each and every product category. The first in this series being the PVSM for loose diamonds. These one-to-one focused business meets, which is approximately, each of these meets, basically between one buyer and one seller, will be around 40 minutes with 10 exhibitors and 10 visitors. So most of the visitors will be from China because, of course, that is one of the markets which we are exploring and which we have already opened, and they are already ordering for the goods. So the participant in the first BSM, that means the exhibitors, were our members. The member exporters are Unique Gems, Argive Exports, Palladia Brothers and Company, VD Global Private Limited, JK Star, Lakshmi Diamond Private Limited, Sri Ramakrishna Exports Private Limited, Sheetal Group, D. Navin Chand, and Purva James. And GJPC will be organizing, of course, as I have told, that a series of virtual buyer seller meets. After this, a jewelry buyer seller meet is coming, maybe in another 15 days. And some of the salient features of this virtual buyer seller meet, of course, everybody is doing, but this buyer seller meet is unique because the entire buyer seller meet format in the virtual space is indigenous. The council has done its own experiments with agencies and have come out with this format, which is of course unique, because in the uniqueness is that we have used augmented reality, we have used technological cutwise for showing the diamonds, which is only available in the whole world with India and with one company from Israel. Of course, that company has been bought over by Signet, the largest jewelry manufacturing company in the world. So this is the technology what we'll be using to have this, buyer seller meet, so that we are trying to go and we are demanding that this will be better than across the table physical experience. So it will be a lifelike simulation what we have done, and of course the watertight parameters for trustworthiness, the data security, etc., has been already looked into. One of the things what we have ensured here is that between the buyer and the seller, the talking will be through the servers, so nothing will be stored in our server. So in that sense, it will be absolutely secure talking between the buyer and the seller, basically, when they are displaying the products. So this is where we are. Of course, we'll learn more about that as the whole thing progresses. Of course, we'll also learn because it's the first time experiences. We have with us today our chairman, Mr. Colin Shah, and Mr. Suresh Kumar. Mr. Suresh Kumar, he is the joint secretary. He has recently taken over the charge of the Gem and Jewelry division in the Ministry of Commerce, and we are lucky to have him today, and we'll be having his blessings today. And also we have with us Mr. Senthil Nathan, who is the Deputy Secretary in the Ministry of Commerce. And we have with us Mr. Dilip Shah, who is the convener of the international exhibition today. So we take it forward, and I will request our chairman, Sri Colin Shah, to just open it up with a welcome speech.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you, Sabya, for that lovely introduction. So for GJPC, it's a historic shift, I would say, in this pandemic time, that it's our first virtual buyer seller meet. We've obviously been known over the last many years for doing several physical shows like the IIJS. We've been doing buyer seller meets, not only in India, but internationally also. And I guess this pandemic has forced all of us to think out of the box and do something different, but somehow keep our businesses going. So GJPC, like it's shown leadership in, I guess, several crises in the past. has again shown, I guess, good leadership, and kudos to Dilip Shah and his entire team, Sridhar, Anurag, Sabya, everyone at Secretariat, for doing a wonderful job of, I guess, what we've done in the last few months is gone through a lot of options on the technology front. But in the end, we've zeroed in on what we are starting this buyer seller meet with, which is proprietary, which is unique, and which will give a splendid experience to buyers and sellers. And we are really hoping from the bottom of our heart that our manufacturers and traders on the diamond side are able to actually transact business, because that's what we've tried to bring to this whole experience, is a little practicality aspect, that buyers and sellers not only are able to interact with each other in a great manner, which I guess Zoom and other platforms have already enabled us to do, but the whole challenge for us even at council was that how do we show our product, which is diamonds, gemstones, in a way in which a buyer, even though he is not physically looking at the goods, is able to buy with no dilution in his experience. So that's what we've tried to achieve, and hopefully, we'll know by end of day and tomorrow that we've achieved this successfully. Best of luck to all our, participants, all our buyers who graciously agreed to come for this buyer seller meet. And on a positive note, all we can say is that while the pandemic has taken a toll on everyone, and especially our industry, because like hospitality, we are in the luxury segment, and obviously we've been affected, I would say, the most. But the good positives are that the American market and the Chinese market have come back nicely, strongly in the last 1 month. We are seeing a nice recovery in terms of exports. We are also seeing, because of our proactive measures again at council over the last few months, where the supply of rough into the market was constrained, I would say. Prices have remained stable, and actually some prices have even gone stronger. So that's a great healthy sign even for the manufacturing community and our rough diamond mining partners. So having said that, we are entering a positive period of the year, October to March, this fiscal year, where not only will we see the main buying seasons, but stability in prices, reduced supply, and I guess demand should be positive. So with that happy note, best of luck to everyone. And again, I would like to thank Suresh ji for joining us today. Suresh ji, it's your first council event, so we're very happy that with this whole new initiative that we're doing, which is virtual, and even though we are not meeting physically, we were lucky enough to meet you last week. But we're hoping that you grace us with some good luck today, and our manufacturers are happy going forward. Senthil, thanks again for joining. And Dilip Shah, best of luck, and thank you for putting this great event together. Thank you and best of luck.
Thank you, Chairman, for that wonderful speech. Basically, the inspiration of this entire virtual BSM. I think we started mock with your factory only, so that way we are lucky that we have reached to this end. And of course, we are also thankful to the Ministry of Commerce, because they were after us during this pandemic, that you have to do something. So we have already, given them the concept that this is how we are doing. So they have given great encouragement about that. And we hope that they go on giving us encouragements. And we would like to now have Mr. Suresh Kumar IAS, the Joint Secretary, to inaugurate this. Now, as it is in a virtual format, how we'll inaugurate is that Mr. Suresh Kumar will speak, Sir will speak, and after that we will show a video. So that is how we will do this inauguration of this show. So I'll request Sir to just inaugurate with some words, and then we'll show a basic video. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you, Sabyasachi Ray, and good morning to all the participants of today's virtual buyer-seller meet. In fact, as was already pointed out by Sabyasachi and Colin, this is the first such virtual buyer-seller meet which GJEPC is doing. First of all, let me congratulate all of you and wish you all the best for this event, because this is going to be the new normal for the future. So this beginning, I am sure is going to be a new milestone. because we are not sure how fast the entire scenario globally is going to change, and how early we can travel and have buyer seller meets physically. So keeping that in mind, we should not waste our time in waiting for the pandemic to go away and start this meeting. That way we will be losing precious time. Instead of that, it is prudent for the council to shift to a virtual platform. Today, the use of virtual media has become very, very high. And as far as the gems and jewelries are concerned, including diamonds, it can be, what you call customized to a great extent, and then shifted into a virtual platform through which the buyers and sellers can interact one to one, keeping all the confidentiality and all the secrets that have to be maintained. So that way, I think, for me also, this is a great occasion, because just 1 week back only I was given the responsibility of this council, and I already had a couple of interaction with the chairman and other people. I am happy that this is one of the very promising sector. Even today, India is one of the global leaders, having almost 7% of India's global exports. Merchandise exports is actually handled by this council. Almost 35 to 40 billion US dollar is the annual export which we are doing. So this is a very, very important sector. And because of this pandemic, there was some hit on the international trade, but I'm happy to note that the green shoots are already visible, and in many major markets like USA, UAE, and all, you are getting signals of revival, and you are already getting fillers from those region for trade and all. That way, it is very good. So this opportunity should not be missed. And you all know that, all of you will be aware that India is the leader in the diamond cutting and polishing in the world. 14 out of 15 diamonds in jewelry worldwide is processed in India. And India's exports of cut and polished diamonds alone account for almost 18.6 billion US dollars last year. I would like to welcome all the buyers from the world to this first virtual buyer seller meet organized by GJEPC. In view of the corona pandemic, since it is not possible for the importers and exporters to travel and organize these exhibitions, this platform should be used extensively. This is the beginning, as I told in the beginning. Now, this has to be a part of your regular marketing activity. Have regular schedules with different markets, different regions, different buyers, different sectors. I again take this opportunity to congratulate the council under the chairmanship of Mr. Colin Shaw and the guidance of Sabyasachi Ray. It's good that you have started it today, and I was lucky that you started this after I took responsibility of this council. I won't take much time. I wish all the best for this event and the future events which you will be taking up on this sector. Thank you once again, and wish you all the best.
Thank you, sir. And we'll also look forward to your guidance, basically. So this is, of course, a great new beginning for us, and we will look into it, that how this beginning. So we'll show you that how this beginning is happening. So I'll request the team to show the video.
China from Flukai. We are a franchise jewelry brand in China with 5 stores. We have a lot of demand in GIA certificate from 30 point to 5 carat. I have been to India to attend the GJEPC's ESM many times. Very happy to attend the first GJEPC virtual BSM and wish everyone enjoy the event. I'm from IBECD company. We are a fashion jewelry brand in China with 40 stores. We have a lot of demand in GIA certified diamonds from 0.3 carat to 1 carat. I have been to India to attend GJEPC's business service meeting many times. Very happy to attend the first GJEPC's virtual business service meeting on which everyone enjoyed the event. Okay.
Good morning and warm welcome to the very first BBSM organized by GJEPC. India is the preferred destination for sourcing gem and jewelry of the world. India Pavilion is part of all major international gem and jewelry shows. Our global buyers always count on us for superior quality and online delivery when it comes to diamond, gems and jewelry. Markets across the world have started reopening and we can witness as increase in demand from markets like USA, China and part of Europe. Virtual BSM is an effort to reach out to all our buyers from across the world and conduct the business in the new normals. This platform provides experience that is better than the physical exhibition. Buyer can explore new sourcing opportunities, compare and analyze product and service of exhibition without description and conduct one-on-one online meetings with suppliers from the comfort of their home or offices. It is our endeavor to ensure that all the participants have the best of digital business experience. The format of BBSM is extremely user-friendly. We have used the best of technology with required security measures. AI provides opportunity to conduct diamond profiling. The upcoming jewelry BBSMs have also an added features of try-on jewelry wherein buyers can try the jewelry using AI. Post the diamond BBSM, we will be organized BBSM for colored gemstone, costume jewelry, diamond studded jewelry, gold studded jewelry, and platinum jewelry in the next 6 months. Thanks to our buyers who have received a phenomenal response for the BBSM for across the world. The BBSM client would witness buyers from the USA, Australia, Bangladesh, China, Colombia, Europe, Middle East, Russia, CSR, South Africa, Southeast Asia, and the UK. I would like to take this opportunity to thank our exhibitors and buyers for their participation and making this BBSM successful one. I express my gratitude to our Chairman Colin Shah, Vice Chairman Vipul Shah, and COA of their guidance and support in organizing this event. Thank you very much.
So that's what we have for today, and of course we have an interaction, press interaction, 12 o'clock. So the media friends who are there, I think will join with you at 12 o'clock after this. Thank you everybody. Thank you, sir, for joining into this. We would have liked you to be here and see how it's going on. But of course, thank you. Thank you, Colin.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dilip Bhai. Thank you, everybody who have joined. Thank you.
Thank you.